Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and I'm back with another one of those Zivame Nightwear Haul which all of you guys really enjoy. So I've seen that all of you guys really like these recommendations and find them useful, and they have another sale coming up, so I thought I'd show you guys some more recommendations and I hope you enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments below. Zivame has their Diwali Sale coming up, so this is the right time to grab anything that you like, and I will link my previous videos also in the description box, so you can check out all of those as well to see what I've recommended in the past. So they have their Ziwali Sale starting up on 20th October at 8 p.m. and this is a great time to grab everything that you like. They have up to 60% off and they have free shipping, cash on delivery and 15-day easy return or exchange, and that's actually pretty amazing. In case something doesn't fit right, then you can actually utilize this well, and also you can get an additional 10% off using my discount code. It'll be right here on the screen, so you can get an additional 10% discount. So Zivame has pretty comfortable nightwear. That's the reason I keep going back to Zivame to get my nightwear, and I've spoken about lingerie and shapewear and so many other things that you can get on Zivame, and I'll link those videos as well, so you can see all that in case you want to grab them during the sale. And now let's get started and I'll show you guys what I got recently. So I'm not putting up the prices because during the sale the prices keep varying and they go down by a little more as well, so I'm just not putting them. I'll directly leave the links and everything in the description box so you can check them out. So let's start with something really comfy and cute. So this is the first night dress that I wanted to show you guys. It's a pretty nice color, kind of purplish blue, and it's pretty cute and it is so damn soft. I wish you could feel this. So it is really soft and feels super comfortable, so I grabbed this, and I wanted to get some nightwear which are like both dresses and some of them are suits. Like usually get a lot of track pants with t-shirts, so I wanted to like change up and get something else as well. This is a little bit of straight cut. It doesn't have like a lot of flare, but then it is very stretchable, so yeah, it's going to be super comfortable. So check this out. Here it says pretty and it has like cute little butterfly and a little bit of design here, and I got this in double XL. So usually I get all of my nightwear in double XL. Some of their pants are actually super stretchy, but still I get them in double XL so that I can wear something that's really comfortable. And since all of us have been working from home, I find such long dresses pretty comfortable, so I wear them with leggings or I wear them with some other night pants, and they're like super comfortable. Next up we have one more t-shirt, and this is in a pastel color. This is a really cute mint blue or like baby blue, and it says do what you love, and it's in white and like peachish pink. It is so cute, and again it is really soft, and as you can see it is super stretchable. This is sort of like the cropped ones which I really like. I kind of like this length. I do like the super long ones which are like dresses. I really like them, but I do like this length as well. It is very comfortable. This goes a little below your waist and it's not like super long. It is a little bit like the cropped one, and it is super cute and also like really soft and stretchable. Got this also in double XL, and this is like super cute and really soft. I think it's going to be super comfortable to sleep in. Very cute. They have a lot of such t-shirts with like cute little writings and like cute little things and really cute colors. Next up I have some trousers. This one is like a peachy pink one. I do have like a baby pink one, so I got this time. This is like a sort of a little bit fluorescent-y peachy pink soft fabric, and yeah, pretty comfortable. And here it has like a grey nada, and yeah, it has this stretchy pants. This time I got yellow. Yellow is pretty sunshiny and really cute, especially if you're going on like a holiday or if you have like your girls' night out. I've seen this actually a comment on my Instagram, I think, or maybe when I asked for like video ideas, someone asked for like a cute nightwear, cute pants and cute nightwear for girls' night out or like bachelorette party. So yeah, you have a lot of those options as well. So yeah, this one's a little bright and again a plain pant. This one's like plain yellow. Here it has a little bit design, and again very soft fabric. These ones are priced much lesser than the pants which I got last time. Those ones are priced a little higher, but those are like a little bit thicker. So if you're looking for something a little bit thinner in fabric, then you can try out these. So basically again very comfortable. Those are what I got for myself. Now I grabbed some other things. This is from the bridal essentials section. So I've been meaning to try these out, but I actually got these as a gift for my sister. So I wanted to show you guys these as well. And look at this top, it is so cute. It has a little bit lace here, and the fabric I think is like georgette, I'm not sure, but again very soft and comfortable. I think I got this in like medium or large, but it is available in all the sizes. Check out the size and basically the measurements and order accordingly. And these are the pants that it comes with. It has the regular elastic, and these go till the ankles, and here also it has a little bit lace. These are really cute, again perfect for your basically girls night or something where you will click a little bit of pictures maybe, or just because you want to wear something a little fancy even if you're going to be just home. So I think this is really cute for that, and I think this is from the bridal essentials. So yeah, something a little cute and fancy. Next up we have something really pretty again. This night suit is also so cute, and it has like really cute floral print all over, and I was eyeing this for myself as well. I got this to gift basically. It is so pretty and again looks so aesthetic, at the same time so comfortable. This fabric feels so soft. It's really soft, you guys. It's a button down top kind of a thing, and comes with a matching pair of pants, your basic elastic, and again really soft and comfortable fabric, and goes till the ankle length. Really pretty. This one is so damn pretty. You should definitely get your hands on this, especially during the sale. I think I'll buy myself either this, or basically they have a lot of prints, so yeah, it's like a lot of options to choose from, and different styles as well. Next we have something super comfortable, and this is a 3-piece set. And I got this also to gift, and it's available in all the sizes, and it's like super stretchy. It's like that sweater material. It's a little thicker, so it works out pretty great for winters, especially if you're in the colder places. But even here in the night it gets pretty chilly during winters, and especially early mornings as well. So this is like full sleeves, and if you're going to some hill station or basically some colder places also, this is pretty amazing. And you can wear it as a sweater as well. It works out really well, and it's again very soft. It's not like super thick, but it will basically work out for your colder months. This comes with like a set of 3, as I mentioned. So there's one more top and the trousers. So this is the other top. This one has stripes and it's very cute, and this one has like these buttons here. And this fabric is not as thick as that, but this one is also like full sleeves, and it's really soft and comfortable. So it comes with the same trousers that match the other top, and this one is so comfy, you guys. It has like really stretchy waist, and super soft, and very stretchy and comfortable. So that was our last pair. So that was everything I shopped this time during sale, and they have their Diwali sale starting up on 20th October at 8 p.m. So stay tuned for that and check it out. You can grab yourself everything that you like, make a wish list and keep it ready. And they have up to 60% off, and they have cash on delivery, free shipping. So they have 15-day easy return or exchange policy, and also you can get additional 10% discount using my code. It's Priyanka Zivame. It'll be right here on the screen. And Zivame also has an app, so you can directly download the app and order yourself whatever you like. So that was everything that I got from the big Ziwali sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch, and if you would like me to try out anything else from Zivame, do let me know in the comments below. And I leave the entire playlist of my Zivame videos. I keep seeing a lot of messages about nightwear and lingerie, or the right kind of lingerie to wear with sari blouses, with dresses, with your strapless dresses and all that. So I have done all of those. So I'll leave a whole playlist. I've done a lingerie guide. I've done like 10 essentials for curvy girls. So you can check out all those videos as well. And recently recently I posted one about shapewear, especially because we have the festive and wedding season. I thought that would be useful as well. Do check them out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also find me on Instagram for quick updates and a lot of fashion reels and fun little hauls. I have a lot of other festive videos coming up. Do subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.